resistance.
All right, it says preparing to buy during this meeting, so just go ahead. Don't have to rush it though. We don't give a
No,
fuck.
it's all right. It's all right. Right. So basically 1660, and we have that 1657 level, right? What price could do is take out all the previous lows from this week, could bounce off from here, or if it takes out 57 straight off the bat, right, you could start seeing some sort of rejection pushing back up to the upside. And where would it go? 1680 could be a magnet for that price again. So you could get a move from here back up to 1680, potentially even hitting our sell zone. And this could be the time for the actual move, depending on, whatever's been said. So there's like many sort of technical ideas that you can sort of put on the chart. So for people to sort of plan ahead. But those are the only two moves. That's why I've been sitting all week, been waiting for this. Let's hope we sort of see something that we can get involved in. Ideally, I like to sort of get the first initial reaction out of the way, see what retracements we get, and then basically trade off the back of that. Because you don't want to sort of get sort of left out by your broker, because a lot of the times that's happened to me, especially with CPI, and you can't really place anything and broker crashes. So that's why I like to sort of hold off. Right. I think you can talk about your USD and your other sort of stuff. And then once it's FOMC time, we can get back on it. What do you think? Oh, you got to do an introduction. Do you have to do an introduction?
No, I don't do that stuff.
Hey guys, welcome back.
You do the introduction. I'm editing the description.
Oh man. Right. Okay. Is it up there? I mean, you got to share a link on the channel as well.
I know. I got you.
Right. Okay. If that's the case, I'll continue speaking. So, if you guys don't know what we're doing, obviously we've got two different zones. We're not saying that we're going to buy from this buy zone. Pretty much this buy zone has been intact, pretty strong throughout the whole week. So every time it came in there, price obviously pushed up. Same thing again. Obviously, this pump today was not really foreseen. This was usually off a Putin message, right, which sent it up. But again, I think Imran said he did catch this in the morning. So props to him and any others who caught the buy. But as you can see that this sort of consolidation phase is still intact. What I'm expecting is either a push up into this zone to then sell if we get an initial push up for a continuation. Because if you look at price action, what it's really done, right, is London session sort of pushed up, US session retraced, ready for FOMC. Interesting. Yeah, could still get a move like that, pushing into a liquidity zone, right? But it's like, this, they could even extend it a little further to a key level of 1700. So this is where it's just like, okay, make sure you're risking a good amount, 1%. It doesn't even matter because the risk to reward is just always there with fundamentals. So as long as you keep your sort of risk to reward intact, fix lot size that you use, even drop it if you need to, and just if you get triggered basically. But ideally, if this area gets hit, we've collected the liquidity from all the previous highs. Again, remember when I was talking about those previous lows, the previous highs have always been intact as well. We've not taken a high out once since Friday. So similar sort of thing. If we take that liquidity, I'll be targeting those lows straight off the bat if we can get that. And pretty much as I just explained the other way was if price pushes down, could even spike a new low, come back up, retest, push up to attack those highs again. So gold loves to do that. That's pretty much that from me.
No, US 30.
So quick.
Luke. No. It bounced off of my level.
No.
It's all right. It's low-key a little too close to the time for me to enter. I just get a little worried about it, but
yeah. Go on, I'll give you a screen.
Off of that, yeah, why not?
Yeah, go on.
For the FF members, you'll see in a minute, but it's bouncing off of the that 1 hour level I had marked up in 786. Am I sharing the correct screen? I don't even know. Should be, right? But yeah, we're bouncing off that 1 hour level, so that's good to see if we can hold that into the drop at the top of the hour. But as always, well, everyone, all the FF fam knows it, but for you guys on YouTube, if we don't get a trade, we don't get a trade, right? We're already up over 1,000 pips for the week as usual. So why risk that during a high impact news just to make some button punchers happy, right? If we get something that we want or that we like, we'll obviously go for it, but can't promise anything. But I was looking for this in terms of a shorter term retracement to fall from around this level. We have a nice little doji candle there, so it might end up working out. But like I said, I'm not in any kind of a rush to hop in right now due to the fact that we have our interest rate dropping here in 10 minutes. And then my views on gold is what I sent most recently to the fam. Right, I have 2 pullback levels. If we break above this one, right, I imagine we're going to come up higher. That's exactly what happened. I saw a couple FF members took sells from this level. That's what we do, is we teach you how to trade. That way, even if we don't enter the trade, you know what to do. You don't need us. So basically just waiting for my favorite 618 or possibly that 786. And that spike could come with the interest rate drop. And as you heard Awais mention earlier, a couple minutes ago, we could easily pop up higher. I have the wicks marked up with that box. I don't have his little sell zone marked up, but I got my 38 and stuff that's higher. Something that I think will be phenomenal to see, even though I don't know if it's possible. Anything's possible. I just don't know if it would happen with this way this price looks. But we've been we grabbed off 1655. All the fam knows that we got a $10 key level rule on gold. So if that key level is 1650, it'll be 1645 to 55. If you can't break that into that key level, you're naturally going to want to bounce off of the prior key level, which would be that 1700. So 95 to 1705. We have 2 areas of liquidity that I've marked up, the daily and the 4-hour. We got some order blocks over there too, but I don't really like having to trade off of those. Prior broken support resistance, which if you look, this support resistance is what's been keeping us down for the longest time. So really it's just a waiting game at this point. But on daily, we are still well below our 1680 to 85 support resistance, which is heavy support resistance that kept us up for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different times. So as strong as that was for support, it should be the same way for resistance. The one major, what do I want to call it? The one major issue is the whole Russian thing. Obviously, no one could have seen that coming, and that could have flipped investors' point of view at the last minute, right? If there are big investors that think that, maybe they're really, for instance, I saw that Putin was trying to recruit like 50,000 convicts. And he's like, if you serve on the front line, we'll give you, for 6 months, we'll release you from jail, assuming you don't die. So, yeah, obviously all they've really done so far is shown, in my opinion, how weak they are. I know that we've sent a bunch of money over there. I know that other countries have sent a bunch of money over there, but it's Russia, someone who people kind of think of as a superpower. And at this point, I think the most dangerous thing in that war is if Putin is dying. If he's dying, he's got nothing to lose, right? And there have been several reports that he might be dying. So if he does decide to just start really mobilizing, the Russian army, I don't know what it's called, that's where we could start to see investors pour into gold as a safe haven asset. Now, the main reason what people don't understand about why gold has been bearish, even with high interest rates, is with high inflation, is higher interest rates make gold's opportunity cost higher, right? The cost to hold gold as a hedge is going to be higher. So whether that means they don't want to use gold as a safe haven, or whether that means they just want a better premium price, it could be one of the two. Who knows, right? We just have to keep in mind that we did break that major Oh, sorry, I'm on US 30. My bad. We did break that major 1685 support resistance. So if investors were to start really wanting this as a safe haven, regardless of the interest rates and regardless of inflation, right, I would expect to see something like this happen, which still implies that that higher sell level that I would love to see would still be valid, because you could still bring it back down to this, to roughly that broken area, you know, even if it's only 150 pips, right? No one's ever going to complain about 150 pips. But it's just a waiting game now. 5 minutes left, and then we might be able to get some trades off, or we won't. Damn, I really want to sell this. I really want to sell it. It's only 60 pips on that stop. I could argue that. I would want it to come down to 618 though. I don't know. I mean, FFM knows when I enter. You guys on YouTube, I can't promise nothing. So obviously, don't blindly enter and then come blame me for anything, right? If you like the analysis, if you support the analysis, then sure, go for it. You know, you and the FFM, you know, I'll let you know exactly when. Shikaya, I might have said that wrong. That I have that level marked up. It's definitely one of my TP areas, but we still have all these other areas to crash through. And just as Pablo said, if we get the kind of reaction that we want, which is very bearish for this, we should have no problem cracking that and coming towards our, there should have been a line at like 350, but I kind of reworked my charts earlier today to make it somewhat more clean, even though it's not entirely clean. It was like 400, I guess. It was like that level with this wick. You came back and retested, broke out, retest, pushed higher, retest, higher, or not higher here, but retest. And then honestly, you can also mark up the same kind of thing right down there. So you have a couple pit stops on the way. But if I'm being honest, I don't advise trying to get into a trade right now. But you know, do as you guys please. And as I said, you know, FFM, y'all know when we get into something. I do like that though.
Right. 3 members. 3 minutes. What am I under? I said 3 members left. Sure, Bob. 3 minutes left.
Not British gold. Tim put not your daddy.
Even though he's the only daddy here, just saying.
No, I like that. He's not trying to fucking fit in. He's his own person.
Tim, you know, if you know, you know.
Join the join the fam, join the YouTube live and hit the link and hit the like button and then just come back and then just pop back here. Drop a like.
Yeah, 100%.
Look at Pablo coming in clutch. Same with all you guys on the YouTube. I don't know how many viewers we have. I'm not really watching, but hit that like button. It's free. Or dislike. I don't care, because apparently now dislikes also make the algorithm go off. I really don't care what you do. Just
I'm a
hit
dislike
one of them.
my video.
Leave a comment. I don't care if you dislike it. Dislike it. You don't gotta lie. Oh boy. It's like I don't want to say I'm not ready for this, because I'm ready for it, but I'm just like, you know, that feeling you get when you're like in your stomach and you're just like,
always happens.
It's not even fear for me. It's just like, should I be getting in this trade? But I'm like trying to stick to my principles of like, it's not a 100% sure shot trade for me. So I don't really like it. I don't want to waste our precious 1,000 pips. I already dwindled it down twice today. Oh, well. There's only like 100 pip loss, or like 120 out of the 1,100 we have. So who gives a shit? Oops. Supposed to be working on that.
Nah, it's all right. It's not bad.
I don't care.
Not bad, right?
Yeah, and if y'all don't believe about that 1,000 pips, just go check the Instagram. It's in the description. I mean, I post all the trades there. All of them.
Feels like we're getting ready to watch a main event.
Yeah. The main, what do they call it? The main card or whatever the fuck. Yeah,
Yeah.
I mean, yeah, the main event. Yeah, we just watched Jake Paul. Now it's the Conor McGregor Mayweather part 2 because
Yeah.
I heard that's a possibility now. Oh, that would have been a nice little entry.
What's
But like
going
I say,
on?
I ain't worried about.
Right,
I ain't
boys,
worried
drum
about
roll.
no.
Let's go. What's happening?
I'm just gonna get rid of that so everyone on YouTube doesn't get confused. Holy fuck! We should have taken it. We should have taken it. Oh well. Fuck. And it went right to where I wanted it to. Did it not? Oh my fuck.
My trading view is frozen.
That's why you need that gigabyte internet, Poppy.
Help fund me, please.
Hey, I don't even care if y'all didn't take that. At least y'all know. At least now y'all know what we are. It's the same 75 basis points. You should get a sharp pullback, though. I'll give you that. Gold.
That's what I was saying.
Holy
Gold. What do you
fuck!
think?
If it goes too far, it's not going to want to pull back, and we're going to have to get one of those risky biscuit entries on the next 5 or 15.
Yeah,
Whatever it is,
saying.
though, whatever you're trading, give it at least the amount of time of the chart you're on. So if we're on 5-minute, give it a 5-minute candle. Let this candle close before. Holy fuck!
Oh, yo,
Anybody in the team
error,
enter that? Because if y'all did, you're welcome. I didn't even enter it, so damn it. But it's all right. I'm gonna put it back up for the.
I think we'll get some sort of pullback somewhere.
Jesus Christ. Yo, we should have entered that. That's all me for saying I'm not getting into it. Oh, well. Oh, fucking well. I'm a little pissed about that. It's all right. I can't get upset. It's, I would have been pissed if it would have went the other way, right? But, I mean, we took out all those liquidity levels, so we should come back and pull back. But that's the hard thing about news is...
Yeah, you don't know when.
Sometimes you don't. Sometimes you just get the continuous fall, but... I mean, you also have this broken trend line, but I will be honest. If y'all try and go for it, you're going to have to be fast. And I'll be honest, like picking a stop loss is hard as whatever word you want to use, because the way you normally want to trade is you'll put it above the prior high. Well, that prior high is all the way up here. That's a 300 pip stop. Well,
60
200 now.
60 on gold got taken. And that's where it rejected 30 pips. Told you took out the prior lows, as I was saying. Get your reaction.
Ooh, it's a 1 hour chart though. Damn it. I was gonna say order block, and I like my fresh order blocks. Fuck.
Oh, I ended up at 63, close at 62.
You really scalping that?
No, someone in the chat said he chickened out.
I would have too. Honestly, I would have too. If I'm gonna be honest, like you guys heard me on the live, I was like, I want to take it, but I don't because I'm scared. But I was trying not to use that word. But at least y'all can see firsthand that we know what we're doing. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Check the Instagram. Drop a comment. Drop a like. Drop a dislike if for some reason you don't like my beautiful voice. I don't care.
Hey, they're here for me, man. Well, they're here for some British analysis.
Yeah, pretty much.
But I know Pablo's here for that. Just saying.
Hey, at least Lee went for it, though. Got to give him that. You know what I mean? Because I didn't go for it. Right, it's dumping past that 60 level. It's gonna go. I feel like it's gonna. Oh, wait a minute. Oh no, I thought that might have been that last low.
Oh, yo, this is madness. What is this?
You know what I really am interested in though?
A pullback?
No, Mr. No Name and what he was doing. Don't say his name, but you know who I'm talking about. Because remember last time he was doing the complete opposite.
Yeah.
I'm kind of interested now. Did he make that same mistake? All right, what else did we get on this news?
If it holds 60, Wouldn't be too bad. It may want to push 57. You know, that second wick that I had just before the previous low. But then I need to see some sort of rejection back
Oh,
inside.
look at that. It broke my fucking screen. God.
Oh, shoot.
I am mad now. I'm going to be honest. I'm mad now. I know what you're saying. Don't. So trust me. I ain't going to do that on YouTube Live.
I was going to get a big screen.
Nah, man. That's only for the members. Only the members get to hear me rage.
That's a bonus. That's a bonus.
It is a bonus when you... Fuck. I'm about to rage, though. Bro.
Yep. I'm not looking to buy it yet. Not with this.
Bro, I hope you're not trying to anymore. Like you wanted to buy it from the 60 break. It destroyed 60.
Yeah, no. I jumped in.
I wouldn't be looking for that at all, man. No,
57.
Like that Russian conflict. I feel like
yeah.
I feel like someone called Putin and say, "Yo, mess around and just say you're gonna do this so I can get a better sell price."
100%.
All right, cool. Well, there's our first 5 minutes. So let's see if maybe we can get a quick 38. I find it unlikely to get a 61, but who knows? And honestly, with the amount of volume and volatility, you can also say 23. Pablo, it's all right. I didn't sell either, but I mean, if I would have got in that, oh man, I would have been done right here. We would have had what 1,600 pips for the week. It would have been easy money, but it's all right. You can't win them all. I guess now for next time we know if we see something good like that, trust it. What?
You're just saying that 1690 sell we took last week still open. I didn't say close it.
You didn't. It's a weird head and shoulders here too, but who cares? I guess I'll set an alert for there. See what happens with it, right? Oh no! Oh, even Nas.
Yeah, all of them.
Look, Nas.
US 500 was watching.
Bounce from just below that 4-hour level that we had marked up. It's all right. At least y'all know we know what we're doing. That's
if you can get a nice pullback.
Someone asked me earlier my GJ analysis. This is what I had told y'all. I said we were going to come up to 6-1 and then fall. Yeah. If you would have put your stop here, even though you would have known there's news, right? You would have gotten messed up. But as I say, y'all know, there's nothing but proof that we know exactly what we're doing. And if you don't, then you need to come with a mentor who knows what they're doing and stop messing around with these people just because they have a Lamborghini on their page. Like why are you going to trade with someone because they have what you want? They never
need one with a
Corvette. Profits.
You need one with a Corvette, man.
Yeah, man. Get that American muscle. Like for real, they only buy that stuff with I don't want to get into this on YouTube Live, but they only buy that with their course purchases, and they only buy it because they know it's going to make y'all join. I buy what I want. That's why I'm on my 4th Corvette. Finally, a manual.
I gotta drive on next week. Just
saying. You're not driving a nice. I don't want to say the nice one, but you are driving a C8 though. So I haven't driven a C8 yet. My C8 allocation, like the Z06, bro. We'll get into that off of this live, but the numbers, like you might have seen, it was like people wanted 100 grand over. My number was 47,000 over, and I was like, well, no, I'm good unless I'm getting one of the first ones, which I mean, if YouTubers weren't, I wasn't gonna get it.
Yeah.
Oh well, I'll get it once it comes out. I'm not waiting. I'd rather put that money like my spec was gonna be like 139,000, I think. So it's like for even for that 40 grand over, like you could go buy a used Huracan. Fuck that. Trading view. Okay, bet. Is she really gonna let me get in? That's my question. Or should we have bought with you down there? Oh shit.
Check out prior low.
Yeah, I had that.
I didn't mention. I was like, yeah,
you did, and I told you I wouldn't want to buy.
Take out prior low. And
someone did say what will happen. Murat said, "What will happen with gold? Buy it 52 to 53." Ah, if only he would have said 54 and then snagged that. I don't know, Murat. I'm not confident enough to say yeah. Just try and buy no matter what. Like I'm really trying to sell. Well, particularly US 30, which would. only you would only want gold to do the same kind of thing. I haven't entered that position yet, fam. I still don't know. I really want this 5 to close. That way I at least get some kind of judge for what price is trying to break back above. That way I can get a better stop loss. Because like I say, my technical stop loss would be all the way up here. And that's, I would have to break my sobriety streak to want to take that kind of stop loss. If we fail to close below that line, I'm going to get a little bit worried. I do like somewhere around this area. I'm just looking at all these wicks over here for the stop loss. Ah, boys and girls. But Murat, obviously, sorry if I'm saying your name really wrong. Do as you please. If you have an analysis, I don't know how long you're trying to trade for. You know, you guys know me on gold. Like, I don't like to go for 30, 40 pips. I like to go for 100 or more. So if you're trying to just scalp it, then by all means, do whatever you think is best. Damn it. I said 38. Am I really going to get juked again? Should I go for it? Let me give myself a heart attack right on live stream real quick. How about that? Ooh, there's a 1 minute order block right here. Bet.
Yeah.
Still a decent amount of pippage. All right, bet. Fam, you know what I'm doing, right? Oh, wait, send that.
Wait, bro. Fucking I'm gonna get it late, bro.
Oh, I guess you're right. It is pretty fucking late.
No, I was gonna end up sharing it. I wanted to get back on.
I don't know. That 130 is like, I know we can make it easily back because we want us to break those lows and continue much lower, but it's ooh.
Should I do it?
Yeah.
Why am I writing a paragraph? I did not know.
Say it's from me.
Yeah.
Oh shit. Oh my God. For a minute I thought I entered a 5 lot on US 30. That would have ruined me. Like, that would have ruined me. I would have cried on this stream. Like, I'm not lying. I would have cried on the stream. Oh, Oase, you want to see something cool?
Go on.
I did have a sell from the top up there. I just forgot it was on my personal and none of my prop accounts because I didn't want to risk that shit. So it's like it was a valid sell and everything, but like I say, it was hella risky, and I was down to do it if it's my own money. If it's prop, I don't want that. But at least I have a shot now, like a screenshot. You sent it?
Yeah. I've seen your Discord, yeah. The USA one.
I have it from 875.
Yo, KG held that gold sell, you know.
KG held it. I was wondering who sent the profit. Oh shit, he did hold it from 1675. Hell yeah, buddy. That's my boy. You know, I talk about him all the time because when he first joined, he didn't know how to do a single thing. And I was sending him videos and he would still mess up. So the fact that he's able to take his own valid ass trades now, it makes me so happy. Like it's the number one thing that I like to see is when our members are successfully trading it.
Yes, sir. Right, 15 minutes. I want to see what happens on the conference. Is it a switch up? Complete flip. That low break on gold wasn't enough to start reversing. I don't think. I feel like that's just a double bottom. I literally can put a line at the bottom of that. Regime. Yeah, look at yesterday, gone.
Come on, baby. Don't make a 1 minute double bottom. I need all y'all on that YouTube live to hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, follow us on Instagram, join the team if you want to. I ain't gonna force you to join the team. I'm not like those mentors that need your money to live. I don't live off of your money. I live off of my own trades. Yo, look what I sent in the free channel.
Free channel, yeah, seeing that. That's fire.
Wait, Pablo, you're saying you wanted to come all the way back up to 750? Oh, my bad. I didn't see 29. You had a 2.9 there, bro.
29.
I don't know. You know, I don't want to say I take advice from our members, but like I know who's good at what they're doing and who's not. So if he would have said, "Oh man, oh fuck, god damn it, 1 minute, don't be."
Yeah, look at gold. Gold's gone.
Gold hitting 6-1, bruh.
We're gonna get 7-8. Might have to.
We got to wick fill that. There's no way they're going to leave that wick like that. I think you're right about the 7-8 though, which only makes fucking.
Yeah, but then
I'm not even going to relate them to, because when we had that 100 pip sell last night, if you saw that we sold this last night, ladies and gentlemen, and the TP was 620, right, and we barely tapped it. Gold did not do anything during this, so they don't always move exactly according to each other, but I mean, that's on the Instagram. I gave it out as a free trade on my Instagram story. Everything was there. And I was like, pay for your subscription with it. And of course it hit. Just saying, we know what we're doing. All right. We mentor your favorite mentor. It's simple as that. Oops. That's how come your favorite mentor, all these people with these that only post pictures of their Lamborghinis and stuff. Why aren't they trading right now? Why aren't they live? Why don't they have a mentorship where they help people trade? Why do they only sell some kind of signals and stuff? Because they just need some money. Let's be honest. And now why do all of them promote prop firms? Because they ran out of people to deceive with their, with their false advertisements of what they're able to do. Don't tell me we just caught that right there at the top too. On the live for y'all? Come on now. Y'all can't. And then you're going to tell me that $125 a month is too much money? Man, you can go to the Instagram and see for the past like 6 weeks, we've had 1,000 pips or more a week. A week. Hey, Lee, I appreciate that, man. Look at what Lee said in the chat. Bruh, I appreciate that one because I've been trying to not swear. Like, the FFM knows, bruh, that's not me not swearing. But if I got to do it for the YouTube, okay, I'll do my best. Let's get it. What are we at? Open profit loss already 140 on that. Yo, can you go update that, Oasis? I gotta make sure I don't gotta take any P real quick.
Plus 140.
515. Wait. What did they just say? Okay, I bet.
Plus 140?
No. I was reading a tweet. My bad.
Oh, okay.
I thought for some reason it said something about them like having an error in the rate hike, and I was like, what? But nah, we're good. We Gucci.
That low's holding, man.
What over here? It kind of is though. On what? This or on gold?
On USA, sorry.
Oh yeah, a little bit. That's just the one thing is like you until you break lower with a body, you're still liable to come all the way back up, right? What we got? We don't have a what has 15 close.
I'd say let it dance around for a bit.
Yeah. And then try and wait for this 30. As long as 30 can close below that 502 line, we should be fine. How accurate is my channel too? That's the other thing I gotta look. Oh fuck. I have two of them in there. You can tell that. Oh, that's a whole different channel. What the fuck? All right, yeah, we broke through the big one, and I definitely think we're coming to clean up shop of all these for the rest of the week. But hey, you know, y'all on YouTube, you know that we know what we're doing. You can't argue that. CBFW. You feel me? I haven't even looked at the YouTube chat in a while. Oops. MFF Frozen. I don't doubt it.
Yeah.
I don't. I mean, actually, mine was fine. I am kind of getting nervous about this bottom now. I really don't want it to body above this wick. If it bodies above, as you can see, this price action right here from like all these wicks, if we body above that, anything that happens is you come all the way back to the top. And so it's like you might want to, if you see a body above it, I know it's 1 minute and you turn into a little crackhead, but you could get out of it and hope that you get higher. But the thing is you might not. It could just be that basic manipulation. Let's try and go to this other chart. It should be a lot cleaner. Well, don't tell me yeah, I said we're going to go up a little bit, huh? And then I even plotted out what would happen if for some reason you went to the upside. I don't like it. 30 pip. I know we broke it by lower than 30, but fuck, bro. Oh, I just get worried we might pull back a lot more. What kind of music is this? Come on, Harris. You do so good on your DCMI free, and then sometimes you slip a song and it makes me think you're crying for help. Oh, boy. All right, let me get off of the heart attack chart. I really don't like how we rejected so hard off of 55 again. I mean, we have Powell speaking in 8 minutes. Oh boy. Oh, boy.
Yeah. It's a dodgy one.
It's all right though. Our job is technically done. So I'm so happy for KG because I told him, I was like, bro, if you don't give up on this, I promise you I'll carry you to the promised land. And look at him now. Don't lie. And then Mr. AR, Mr. Big A, had a nice NASDAQ buy earlier for $2,300. And that wasn't even one of our signals. It's because we teach you how to trade. That way you don't need us at someday. You just want us there for your extra help. I'm just saying. What in the heck? Bro, I can't even discuss what I just saw on. Oh my goodness. I'm going to have to send it to you. This is
What? Seeing what way?
on Instagram. This thing that these TS people are doing. Bro, I gotta send it in the chat now because everyone's gonna be like, what?
What? What
Did you
you
see it? Imagine I sent it on there. I just sent it to you on Telly. What in the heck? Like what? Like what?
Yo, you deserve to be reported.
Like, well, that guy doesn't want it. He's a big, like, what's it called? He's a big activist for like against that. He's really on the right. But like, what the fact that exists, like, is the name for it's funny. The butt baby.
You just said it. I'm not going to be selling. By the way, not going to be selling 68. I'm going to let it go because I want it to go past the initial open.
Huh?
Watch.
Oh, here.
Let me show you. Yeah, if it's done this so quickly, I feel like it could just continue.
I guess you are right about that. I don't disagree with that at all. But
Spike the low. Yo, that low though. Why am I not mad? I said that if it takes 57, it may take the low and then spike up if you get the initial. That's why I hate news trading, man. You have so many possibilities.
We would have to come back for this, in my opinion, though. At some point, there's no way we would close up here and leave a third. I know it wouldn't necessarily be right now. I'm just saying for future reference, right?
Yeah.
You also agree with that? Like they're gonna fill that at some point.
Yeah, that'll get filled.
My guess it would be anywhere from
double bottom,
to
right?
here. It's like we do, but we don't, because for me, a double bottom has to have two bodies. You don't have two bodies. You have one, and then you have this. Can we make it? Nah, because 30-minute would have had to close there too. 15. Still, that's not a double bottom to me. 5.
It's just like
maybe.
it's getting so much. It's like getting pumped so much before the speech. Like, In
my opinion, this was pumping right before. Oh, well, I thought I get what you're saying here. I don't know. I think we're coming. What I'm really trying to see on US 30 now, I hope people took partials, by the way. It was kind of obvious, you know. See if we can come for this wick real quick and then still respect this level. But it's also possible that you don't. That 618 being just above there worries me just a little bit, but. Oh yeah, I sent it in the general chat, Tim, but I think you saw it. That is something else. That's really something else. All right, well, we got 30 minutes closing here. Let's see if I don't know, man.
You could just take it SL above that previous high.
Here.
Yeah, that's just that wick. But then it's like, okay, susceptible to get stopped and then go down.
Because everyone will be putting their stop there. I don't want to say like what would kill me, but like, imagine in 2 minutes it closes bullish. Then that wick is like, and that's such a fucking rejection that you're coming for these highs. But then that would just tell me you're from there, you're directly
ready to sell. Yeah.
All right, bet. Oh, thank God, man. I ain't gonna lie. I was a little mad. I was a little worried. I was like, fuck. Now we should be good here on US 30. You're not really gonna, I don't think we're likely to see a reversal from this level. I don't. I could be wrong. I always can be wrong. I have no problem admitting that, but I see it as by the end of the day, especially when Powell starts speaking, we should crack to this 400 level and then slowly just start inching down even more. I know the chart looks messy, but it's really not. It's all helpful information. Someone said IC market. Oh, now it's working. Yep. I have a really funny joke, but I think I think we'll get banned on YouTube for it because it's political related. Should I go for it? Because we're in the middle or in the end of the stream.
Are we?
Yeah.
Kind of the half now.
Well, I mean, I knocked it off from Rob Schneider, but he was like, can we all agree that if Biden was a dog, we would have had him put down by now?
Straight away. Everyone's getting
straight away. First time you fell up the stairs, we would have put you down, old dog.
Oh man. Right, let's see what we can do here.
I hate I want to say I hate Forex pairs, but y'all know, fam, y'all know what I've been trying to do. Y'all know what I've been trying to catch all the way down there. So, I don't know. I really wanted us to come up for this 4 hour. As you see, I have that alert there, and I was only off by like how many pips? Like 10? Fuck. Nice. Oh well. What are the other indexes doing? 30-minute close. Oh shit. That could be vital, I'm gonna be honest. That could be like detrimentally vital. But as I said, also like the 30-minute and 1 hour is where you normally see if you get the pullback on the smaller time frame like we kind of did, that you're more likely to just kind of like start dropping. So we'd love to see that. We'd love to see this hour close below this wick. So
you know what? I'm gonna send something.
I think I know exactly what you're gonna send.
Oh, it's gone. Might go now. It's the same as yours, 7-8.
Yeah, it is the same as mine.
But like, no, it was like literally 5 pips off.
Yeah, Lee, I think it's a great idea. Yeah, and you have a decent entry too. Well, didn't you already send the analysis of where we wanted to sell from? So can't you just kind of be like, oh no, that was before this. Never mind. Yikes.
Just
It's all
did it
right. As
100
long as
pips.
it's falling, that means our dirty 30
Yeah.
should easily fall down, a little bear flag, and I don't know. I don't want it to reject. Anything can happen though. How did 15-minute? Oh fuck. Powell opening statement: the economy does not work for anyone without price stability. Great, thanks. Fuck you, Powell. That shouldn't affect gold, but that's going to do something to them stocks like it just did.
Yeah.
I don't care though. I'm in my trade. I ain't getting out of it. How many people are watching on YouTube? Let me go look. Watch is going to be like 2.
No, it's on mine this time. Hopefully,
Yeah,
it's more.
I can still look.
Hopefully, it's more than your side. Otherwise, we'll take your YouTube instead.
16 right now, but I don't remember how many we had on mine.
I don't feel it, but I do feel like a small one now. Like,
Oh God, Powell, please don't give me a coronary.
why not? Whoosh.
Damn, fuck, they both pushed up on that.
Can we finally get to my zone, please?
Fuck.
I've been patiently waiting.
I'm gonna get stopped out of
Whole
this
week
shit.
on gold.
I took a partial profit, but not as much as I should have. I'm gonna be honest. Okay, bet. Don't tell me we're coming for those levels because you already know those are my levels and the 786. If we close below that, then yeah. But if not, I would wait. Yeah, for
Let it go.
still
Let's let it go.
82.
I'd say you let it go.
I'm saying they have to close 15 or something would have to close below all these levels. I mean, sorry, all below 786. But at this point, it's probably just gonna go.
If it gets to 82, I'm sure we'll get some sort of reaction from there. Let's see what we do. Because it's a big enough pump for some sort of retracement at least.
I really should just call it quits and just be like, hey, I did all right. You know what I mean? But
Yeah,
I'm over here
success rate
cocky
100%.
and shit.
No,
Oh,
you know
what if
I'm
it
not. I've
takes
been
out that
waiting a
daily
week for
high?
this
And
one.
what if
So
you think the daily high could do it or no? If we close back
today's daily
below,
high.
say yes.
Oh,
I'm saying it would
uh,
have to close
nah.
below
Price action. I think.
75.
Oh, it's consolidated, man. It could. I was just saying the price action is so bad, but like
It is
today's
so bad right now. It's so rough and
taking out the
fast.
lows. Yeah, 730, taking out the highs, and then continuing its direction. Right? Dream scenario. Can we do it? Go for them.
You're already getting your 82 right now.
Yes, sir.
And I have that line. I have that marked up for some reason. What the fuck is it marked up for? Oh, it was the prior low over here.
Let me get everything in.
Where would your stop be though from here?
It's at 90.
90.
Told you, man. Large risk to reward out here, boy.
Fuck.
Well, yeah, you gotta sort of give it
Bro,
a
what
room at
is
least.
Powell saying? What in the fuck?
He's probably
is he
sharing our
saying right
live.
now?
He's probably saying go check out FOREXFUNDED's live, bro.
He's definitely saying go check out Forex Funded Live, but what in the tits?
80 got taken.
I did get
Rejection
taken
from
out,
there.
which is whatever, I guess. It's really not whatever. I'm honestly pissed about it.
Oh, for real? You're lucky I had to just manually enter 80 just for the bounce.
I'm gonna get even more mad if it bounces from my expected level.
Nah. Come. Wait,
I'm
sorry. I'm just
not
watching
just gonna
something
get
else
in and
here.
sell right now. I'm not just gonna hop back in, but like you know me, fam knows me. I like 618 and 786, even though I had said 38 because we had first rejected on that low ass time frame. But I hate low time frames. But both of them matching are perfect. Did you sell that?
Yeah.
Check on NASDAQ. Yeah, NASDAQ the same way, but NASDAQ probably gonna look better. Probably a 7.8. Oh, not
Any
even
high
7.8,
prices
just
on
below it.
any high prices on this? It's just
High
missing my other
prices
orders.
on
Like,
this.
does it want to? Has it had
That's
enough?
why I don't limit it, bro. I would have given manual.
Yeah, I did manual at 80, above 80.
I
81
don't
it
have that
was.
entry, and I don't want to.
Yeah, it'll chill here. If it chills here, pushes higher. But it's a small entry. That's why I didn't send it.
Might as well just get in on a small entry just so I can have it.
No, don't. Go straight to SL 1700 instantly. Doomed. Right.
I got proper wiped right there.
It's all right. We reset. We move.
I mean, I can't even say proper wiped because I had taken my partial, but as even I told you earlier, I normally take 50% on my first partial, and I only took 25. So it's like, whatever.
Yeah,
it's not like I lost money, right? Still killer week. But it's just I'm a little disappointed in myself for not taking my normal. Gold. No, what is that? 91?
Oh, it's just there. Just for place for the SL wherever you want. Boys. That's what I was just saying. Okay. We should get reaction pretty close above 80 at least for a retracement. If we stay consolidating, likely to keep
US30 wants to
continue.
fucking fall too. You fucking crackhead.
US 500.
Look at those wicks. It wants to fall right now, I think. I think it does want to fall right. And there it fucking goes. There's an order block too. I'm kind of going to get in on that. No, fuck. I'm not going to get in on that only because of this is why I don't know straight. It messes with my emotions 10 times more than I want it to.
Right. I think that'll be pretty much it. Shame I didn't
Yeah,
get
I think that's
the
gonna
other
do it for
account.
me because I'm not,
Yeah.
I'm
Yeah.
not
Look, we can
gonna.
trade off this tomorrow, this impulse
Yeah,
move. Yeah,
definitely,
100%.
definitely trade off of
All
it
good.
tomorrow. But even then, right? We still got that nice US 30.
You
Even then,
think we'll break the high on the indices from this drop candle?
these
Let
highs,
me watch
these
your
highs over
screen.
here.
Let me look at your screen. Yeah, there. But you think I'll just use that as a 7-8 or something to drop from there?
Well, we're falling from 6-1. I think
Yeah.
it's possible, but the thing is, I'm on 1 minute. So, like, if this 1 minute does push us back down, if we, I would say we could come for it only if we have another rejection down here. If we just blow past it, then no, we're done with that area for good. Well, not for good, but but I'm not re-entering here. I'm not, I mean, the fam might want to, or the
Yeah.
fam might like it. Some people on YouTube might like it. I'm holding this position still. I took my 75% partial on the second bottom down here, which also helped out with the minor loss I had here. But
Let me jump on the screen just to end it.
I almost hit end meeting instead of stop share.
Right. Just obviously a recap on from what I was saying. Pretty much 60 previous lows, right? And the previous low from here got spiked. Price then pushed. Where did it go? Tacked the highs, right? They were left. So this is why it's key to mark these levels in consolidation, right? That you want to see that, okay, look, price is going to manipulate here. Loads of people are going to start selling from down here, right? They're like, nope, right? Stop them out. Then it'll take these highs and then people think like, okay, it's going to start buying from here. It's going to carry on to, all-time high. This is what they usually say. But did the same thing. Price then rejected straight off that. I think it was like a 70 pip drop from there. Yeah, pretty much. Yeah. So that
back in 2 minutes.
Go on, that's fine. Price did just miss some of my limits. I do want it in this box a little, but I did manage to manually just enter at 80. I knew that the pump was pretty strong, right? It's left wicks below. You're going to get a reaction, right? That's what I found out from my experience in trading gold. Well, whatever short experience it is, it's only been like a year, but it's still something. And again, we did manage to get like 70 pip trade off that, and it's still hold it because I still think that price will follow this arrow. If it wants to play around, it'll play around here, let it calm down, top it back over, because I still do think that price will want to come back towards either the FOMC open at 80, 16, 70, or even back down to 60s again. It's just sort of collecting its liquidity, ready for the next move. The way this is still looking on the 4-hour is, right, pretty much breakout, retest, continuation. Hopefully it's that clean. It may not look clean at the moment. Hopefully we start sort of turning around. Either way, still 1% risk on the table, so it doesn't really matter if it goes, to the bin. 1 to 3 risk to reward on that anyway. So if it does work out, you still get a nice move. This low, I'm not liking, right? Regardless, we may have taken out the low, but it's like you didn't really take it out. You just
US 30 came for that 786.
No. What I was talking about. Look, this is what I'm looking at. It's
I didn't mean
changed
that
now.
one.
I know. The one inside. I know. I was just trying to
Wait a minute.
show
How
you.
does mine look? Oh, because I used from the drop.
Yeah, you did it inside, but I was like, could it, and then clean up. It's just something. Again, US 500, same thing, right? Gold, it should just chill here now. Gold's done its thing. Maybe the indices will have a little bit more to say. But
Look
indices,
at it
man,
on like 1 minute. Not to scare you, but
I'm spasming
not
right
this
now.
gold.
Oh, gold. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Oh, no, flag. No, pump, continuation. But my
I
zone's
think
big
it's
enough.
fine, honestly.
I feel like my zone's nice. Hopefully 30 pip zone to have some sort of reaction at least. Slow down.
I'm gonna put an alert for that 86. Holy fuck.
And then these guys as well. Look,
Oh
right?
no.
I might
I don't
attempt
like
it.
the closes on. No, it's gone. It's gone. It's going higher. We're gonna get stopped at, I think.
On what? Oh, one of my limits got tagged finally. Freaking hell.
I don't know. I don't like it, but I'm in it, and I'm not gonna cut my position and nothing. But I don't like the bodies on low time.
You just don't even look at price section right now.
What am I supposed to look at then?
Close your eyes and just enter sell, no SL.
Nah, man, we're not gambling.
0.01, bro.
Dude, I mean, it cleared all of my liquidity on US 30. Every single line I had, except for ones we haven't broken, it cleared.
Now I think it might end just slowly trickling all the way back down.
No, I'm not gonna lie with you. I agree with you on that. US 30 is
after he's taken everyone out.
I think it could come up to that level that you first mentioned, because I have that same area marked. You were like 31, 30 or something.
Yeah, I mentioned it right at the start.
I think that's where we're going right now, bro.
You waste, man. I mentioned it right at the start of the call, man. This one, I'm taking, right? Pretty much.
Oh, yeah, I'm going to take it too. The fuck?
Right?
The fuck? Yeah, bro.
Place your SL wherever you want, right? Doesn't really matter. As long as it's above this.
It definitely matters, but it's going to be, for me, I would have to put the stop
Where would you put it?
I would put it above the highs. It would be big stop. I put it at 195. Yeah, right above there.
But it's going for it. We're doomed.
No, we're not.
We're doomed, bro.
We're not doomed until we enter.
All right. Okay. I'm in. Wish me luck, boys. If you don't hear from me, I'm out.
Dude, I want to go for it.
I'm just trusting my analysis, please.
It tapped my line that I said sells.
Powell, trust my analysis, yeah?
Are you going for it?
I'm
going for it on U30.
I'm in, bro. You do, you say it scares me, bro. Allow that.
Holy shit, bro. Look at gold.
Gold? Okay, gold's scaring me now. But now. This 1% risk is really being put to test here right now. Everyone's all silent, man. Oh, shoot. Welcome to stress.com. All right, hopefully. All my limits are hit now. So if I'm out, I'm out. Pretty much US 30. If you did want to follow that, boop. I'm not using that. I'm using this one. I think everything's in blue at the moment, except for one gold position. Yeah, all mine are in blue. You know what? Hopefully we start falling now. And if you don't know British Gold Daddy, it's me. Just saying. All right, so I'm gonna move this up. That's where basically mine. Yeah. Why does it look like 31,000? Pretty much, if you're not in, get wrecked.
Get wrecked.
Otherwise, I don't say I didn't call it. You can love me later.
I'm in US 32. I'm selling it right now. At 31, 180.
I'm sharing profits right now, right? And I'm gonna. Oh man, why am I so nervous, bro? Why is all this? Right? Pretty much. Right there. There you go. 702.
All right, well, that'll be it for the live, because for YouTube at least. Because if they got in, they can figure it out themselves since they didn't pay for it.
Look, US 30, bang. US 500, bang. Right? If you know it, you know where to find us. Our link's there. That's what we're saying. And everyone who's in the Zoom, are you guys like not in? Well, not what's going on here? Like even I'm getting excited right now. Told you, Powell respects me. Only me. Why is this not connected? Oh, is it because the TP got hit? What? Oh, there. Yeah. Sorry, it's just not highlighted green. Yeah, 60 pips, 65 on my top entry. All right, cool. I'm just going to hold these now for the rest of the day. We're all good. Pretty much you can secure entries, your top entries if you are in. Let this fall back down.
The US 30 that I said I got into is already 200 pepperonis in profit.
Don't mess with indices right here. My US 500 as well. Wow, that it doesn't look as good as US 30, but you get what I'm trying to say. Pretty much the same thing, right? 60 pips. Wait, is it? 1 second. How do you calculate this? I'm such a noob. US 500. Back me on this, Peter, man. You're embarrassing me on YouTube Live. Ah, he's gone. He's literally gone. Anyway.
Oh,
I'm
I
just
took
gonna
my
share
headset
this.
off. I thought someone was breaking into my house. Sorry.
Bro, it was me. I was coming to take your profits.
Bro, I was going to say, if it was you, you was about to catch some slugs.
Yo, how many pips on US 500? Please tell me. What is
It
this?
says it, bro. I can't even see the Zoom screen
220?
anymore.
Is that 220?
Probably.
Bro?
It sounds right because that's what I'm at.
Yeah, okay. There you go. Boom.
Oh,
220
shit.
pips.
Look at gold. Gold turned around too. I wasn't going to lie. It
No,
had me a little
you didn't
worried,
trust me.
bro.
You didn't trust me.
I did. You're right. I definitely didn't fucking trust you on it because it went almost to my stop loss. And I was like, God damn it. But it's like, I wasn't finna tell you that. I wasn't finna be like, I hate you.
What do you think? I wasn't stressing as well. Well,
I'm
my
trying to
limits
catch this last 500 on US 30, and then I'm just going to make an early vacation.
Right. Okay. Oh, shoot. TPs. Let me just quickly mark
Did you
some on for
stop
you
the
guys.
YouTube one yet? Wait, I got to do that. Wait, don't be
You gotta
giving
do
them.
that.
Don't be giving them.
Whoa. You guys, oh no, why are my percentages there? People are screenshotting now. Oh,
I
rookie
can't
mistake.
I can't even get the.
Dude,
All right,
you
bye
just gave it to me.
YouTube. Love y'all. Hit the link in the bio if you enjoyed.